In this question it is given that in a study about a pandemic, data of 900 persons was collected. It was found that 190 persons had symptom of fever, 220 persons had symptoms of cough, 220 persons had symptom of breathing problem, 330 had symptom of fever or cough or both. That is union of these two sets. 350 persons had symptom of cough or breathing problem or both. That is union of these two. 340 had problem of fever or breathing problem or both. That is union of this and this. And 30% had problem of all the three symptoms, that is fever, cough and breathing problem. That is intersection of this and this. To proceed further, I will denote the set of persons having symptom of fever as the set F, and set of persons having symptom of cough, I denote that set by C, and the set of persons having breathing problem, that set of persons I denote by B. Then according to the information given, N F becomes 190, N C becomes 220, N B becomes again 220, keeping these informations in mind. And 330 had symptom of fever or cough or both. That is N F union C is equal to 330, N. Now 350 have symptom of cough or breathing problem or both. That is C union B is equal to 350, and N. 340 have symptom of fever or breathing problem or both. That is F union B is equal to 340, and further 30 have symptom of all the three problems. That is number of persons in the set F intersection C intersection B is equal to 30. That is in terms of Venn diagram, if I say 900 means this whole rectangle contains 900 persons. And suppose this is the set F, this is the set C, and this is the set B. According to this information, NF is equal to 190. That is, when I am writing 190 outside, it means this whole set is containing 190 elements. And C equal to 220 means I am writing 220 here. If I am writing 220 just outside this, it means this whole set contains 220 elements. And NB equal to 220 means this whole set contains 220 elements. That is, I will write 220 here. And because as it is given that F union C is 330, that is union of these two contains 330 elements, then it surely means that in the common portion, that is this, including the common part of all the three, that is this part also, including this part also, in this whole number of elements becomes 190 plus 220 minus 330. This I can easily say using common sense also, or keeping the formula in mind that F intersection C is equal to NF plus NC minus NF union C, and this is equal to 80. And using the information that NC union B equal to 350, it means this whole part contains 350 elements, which means the common part of C and B will be containing how many elements? 220 plus 220 minus 350, that is 90 elements. Again, keeping this formula in mind, I have got this, and keeping the information that NF union B equal to 350, I can say in the common part of F and B, that is this whole part, will be containing 190 plus 220 minus 340. This is equal to 70. That is, so far you have got the information that this part contains 80 elements, including the portion of all the three also, and this part contains 90 elements, including the common portion of all the three also, and this part will contain 70 elements. This 70 also includes the common part of all the three also. And because it is given that in the number of persons having all the three symptoms is 30, that is, in this common part which lies in the portion of F, C and B, this part contains 30 elements, and therefore I can say that the number of persons in this part only, that is not containing all the three, in this part only will be 80 minus 30, that is 50, and number of persons in this part that is not containing this also, that will be 90 minus 30, that is 60, and number of persons in this part, this also doesn't contain the common part of all the three, only the portion of C and B common. In this part, number of persons will be again 70 minus 30, that is 40. Now we have got the complete information. Only this part contains 50, only this part contains 40, and only this part contains 60, and all the three parts is 30. If it is required, to find the number of persons having only the symptom of fever will be 190, minus 50, minus 50, minus 40 and minus 30, because 50 is lying in the common portion of F and C only. In the common portion of F and B only is 40, and common portion of all the three is 30. Similarly, we can calculate only C and only B also. And now he is asking, if a person is chosen randomly from these 900 persons, then number of persons that have at the most one symptom. At the most one symptom means one symptom or no symptom. It is clear that from 900 persons, if we subtract the number 50 plus 60 plus 40 plus 30, that is this portion, this portion, this portion and this portion, remaining persons will be lying here or at the position of F only or C only or B only. That is, this is the number of persons which have one symptom or no symptom. Only F is this portion. Only C is this portion. And only B means this portion. That is the number of persons which are outside all the three, or here, or here, or here, will be 90 minus 50 plus 60 plus 40 plus 30, that is equal to 720. Hence I can say probability of at most one symptom will be 720 upon 900, that is clearly 0.8.